So today in this video, I will be showing about this robot I built with pieces from Lego Spike Prime, and you will have to open the extras bag because there will be some pieces in which will run out at the end when you finish this. And its name is called the PrimeCuber. And as its name suggests, it can solve Rubik's cubes. I suggest they used a cube that is magnetic because it's easier for the machine to turn it around when it has to do its algorithms. So, do you have any questions?
Not yet. Well, I want to ask, what does each part do?
Okay, starting off first. This motor here is to operate this hand here, in which is supposed to turn the cube this way, and whenever it has to turn it will grab it like this and turn it this way or this way. And the thing that turns the cube is this. This thing, this has a motor down here, in which, and then when the hand is grabbing onto it, this will turn, and then I'll turn it this way or that way. And this here is a color sensor that will detect all 9 colors on one face.
So basically, it detects each face,
like every piece.
like every piece.
Yeah, it will detect every piece, no piece.
So that will have. Wait. So it detects to know which algorithm, and this tilts it to do the algorithm. This turns it so that this, while holding it, turns and it does the algorithm. And this, what does this do?
This is the distance sensor, which is put up for a distance. So then when you put the cube here, it will wait a couple of seconds for you to take out your hand and then start sensing with the color sensor. And the way how the color sensor moves during it is this motor here, in which in the back will turn these gears, in which will turn a gear here to moving this from side to side.
So that it can make sure to sense all of it?
Yes.
Okay. And these basically act as eyes, so that
when it sees you placing the cube there,
then it starts working?
yeah.
Okay. And
Okay, let's show you how it's done. We downloaded the instructions and the program, the code for this online, in which you can search it up, in which it's called PrimeCuber. Okay, now let's get on. First, it tells you that it points you to put the cube in the whatever face you want.
what? Oh, you put your hand there. After technical difficulties.
Be careful for what you do, because we accidentally put our hand between there, and then it activates.
So I'm gonna put it in.
Yeah, put it in. It's gonna sense it, and it's detecting the color sensor. It's turning it that way.
And this is like twisting.
Turning it around. Sensing the colors here. Okay, now it's gonna be solving the cube. Yep. It takes about like 3 minutes for it to get solved. It depends how much mixed you made it. So we're gonna skip this part. Okay?
Approximately 3 minutes later.
Okay, now what now it's saying is the arrow's pointing away, so then we take out the cube. Now it restarts the program and points again. If you have any questions about if cubes like the 3x3, but it has black on it. We're gonna test it right now to see if it works.
Let's see if it detects it all black.
It tells you the colors here, so it is detecting.
No.
No, it just does. It just tells you the color. They do
That's
know.
very easy.
No lo hizo.
No, pero.
It's red.
Digo, lo señor. Ay, nada.
Now you solve it. You're the robot. Testing the smarter robot. Some brother difficulties later.
It doesn't work for the 2x2 and the 4x4. But if you do easy ones, then it will work. So if you do this, it will work. But if you like mix the whole cube around like this, it won't work. But for the 4x4, if you do an easy one like one of the 2x2, like this, it will work. But and also one easy like this. But for this as well, it will work. But if you fully mix it, it won't work.